You want to have a sign removed from the building. Pretty simple, right? There are many reasons for removing a wall sign and not replacing it. The business failed or moved, the lease wasn't renewed, the owner retired and moved to Boca Raton. You tell your signage partner to take down the sign and you expect a quote for a couple $100. I mean, how long can it take to, quote, unscrew it from the building? Property managers and landlords don't like holes in their fascias. Also, a phenomenon called ghosting leaves the outline of the sign on the wall. Remove your sign, and they may have strict rules on what you must do. Typically, these are the options. Number 1, remove the sign, no patch and paint. Number 2, remove the sign, patch the holes, but no paint. Number 3, remove the sign, patch the holes, and paint just the holes. And finally, number 4, remove the sign, patch the holes, and paint the entire fascia. Sign removal procedures may be included in your lease or rental agreement. If not, make sure you clarify the issue before you sign on the dotted line. It won't change your plans for Boca, but it will make that first umbrella drink taste a lot better. Nobody likes surprises, especially costly ones. You may be responsible for a lot more than you think when removing your signs.